In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose a Shopify pricing plan. Choosing the right plan is important because it affects your monthly costs, your transaction fees, and the tools you'll have access to as your store grows. So let's walk through the process step by step, and I'll also share some practical tips along the way. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look towards the lower left-hand corner of the screen. You'll see an option called Settings. Go ahead and click on that. Inside the settings area, you'll notice a menu running along the left side. From this list, find and click on Plan. This is where Shopify keeps all the information related to your subscription and billing. On the plan page, you'll see a section or card labeled Plan Details. This shows your current plan and some basic information. In the top right corner of that card, there's a button that says Change Plan. Click on this button to view all the available options. You'll now see the different Shopify plans laid out: Basic, Grow, Advanced, and Plus. Each plan is presented as a card, and on each card you'll see a summary of the key features, such as the number of staff accounts, reporting tools, and sometimes differences in transaction fees or shipping features. Take a moment to scan these features and compare them side by side. Think about what you actually need right now, rather than what sounds impressive. A good general approach is to start with the basic plan if you're new to Shopify or just launching your store. It has everything you need to get up and running. As your business grows, you can upgrade to a higher plan like Grow or Advanced if you find you need more detailed reporting, more staff accounts, or more advanced shipping and automation features. Shopify Plus is designed for high volume or enterprise level businesses. So it's usually only worth considering if you're doing significant sales and need very advanced customization and support. Before committing, take advantage of Shopify's free trial period if it's available to you. Use this time to test the platform, understand your expected sales, and compare how transaction fees might impact your profits. Also, check whether any apps you're planning to use require a specific plan level. Once you've decided which plan fits you best, simply click the Select button on that plan's card. Shopify will then prompt you to enter or confirm your payment details. Review the payment summary carefully, including the billing frequency, subtotal, and total amount. When everything looks correct, click to subscribe, and your new plan will be applied to your store.